What's up, guys? Welcome back. I got some more footage for you. Me and my little brother went out, hooked up with 2 smallmouth bass and a walleye. Had a great time, and I hope you enjoy the footage. As always, if you'd like the Riverman, subscribe.
Got one, got one, got one. Yeah.
Yo, I've never seen a bird.
Get the front out and get a vid. Let's get a video of this for sure.
Get a close up there, Owen. Can you get the whole fish in frame? Oh, now.
Oh!
If you have the precision to land it, you'd be surprised where some lone rangers will have their home. Oh, this is just badass, man. Oh, cast in here, bud. Smallmouths in the creek, guys. There's smallmouths in the creek.
Why is it so tiny?
It's a smallmouth, dude. It doesn't matter. Either way. Good cast. Rod. Guys, look at this fish. Beautiful smallmouth bass action we're getting. This is the second of the day on this beautiful, beautiful creek day. Let's watch him go here. Really want you to see him go, guys. Oh my. Whoa! Let's go!